Businessmen across the country and the entire globe have been worse hit during this COVID-19 pandemic period. The transport sector is among the key integral aspects of the economy that has been adversely affected. In the country, the Ministry of Health put in place measures to be observed by public service vehicles, including social distancing, wearing of masks and use of sanitizers for onboarding passengers. Matatu Owners Association Chairperson Simon Kimutai, speaking on behalf of Matatu owners, lamented the losses the industry is incurring during this time could be solved if Matatus are allowed to carry full capacity, citing it is discriminatory for the government to allow the reopening of entertainment joints but not allow them to continue with their service delivery at full capacity. At the onset, these measures were seen to be observed strictly due to the looming fear that was in the air regarding contracting the virus. After the government relaxed the measures a few months ago and the COVID-19 curves seemed to flatten, many Kenyans and sectors relaxed observation of these measures.
We want to challenge the government and tell them, don't let this important industry collapse. The issue of social distancing, we are telling the government, here we are. We can reason out. We have to allow our vehicles to carry the full capacity. When we have discrimination, having railway, SGR, having full capacity, because it gives the government revenue. What of us who are giving a service while doing private business? This is unacceptable.
Conversation regarding the decongestion of the CBD by disallowing public service vehicles into the CBD has been ongoing. In September, Nairobi Metropolitan Service NMS Director General Mohamed Badi had disclosed that all public service vehicles will be barred from the Central Business District beginning November to decongest the city. Matatu owners who addressed the press in Nairobi, however, say despite popular opinion that they are against decongestion, they are rather against foreseeable discrimination that will see other public service vehicles enter the CBD, constant threats they are getting and not being engaged in the decision making.
We are not against decongesting the city. We are against discrimination. We are against threats. We are against not being included in the discussion. We can be consumers of things that are done in boardrooms, and it's expected that it goes down our throats in a good way. No.
Grace Ongoi, Hope TV News Watch.